If you just got a new iPhone 17 Pro, as well as iPhone 17 Pro Max users, and you're wondering what every button does, this video is for you. I'll explain each button step by step, including the side button, volume buttons, action button, camera control button, and a few useful button shortcuts. First, let's start with the side button. The side button is on the right side of your iPhone. You can press it once to lock your iPhone, press it again to wake the screen. You can also press and hold the side button to activate Siri. If you want to turn off your iPhone, press and hold the side button and volume up button together. Then slide to power off. Next, let's talk about the volume buttons. On the left side of your iPhone, you'll see volume up and volume down. Press volume up to increase volume. Press volume down to lower volume. These buttons control ringtone volume, media volume, call volume, and alarm sound depending on what you're doing. You can also use the volume buttons to take a photo inside the camera app. Now let's talk about the action button. The action button is also on the left side, above the volume buttons. By default, it usually controls silent mode. Press and hold the action button to turn silent mode on or off. You can also customize this button from settings. Open Settings. Tap Action button. Now swipe through the available actions. You can set it for silent mode, focus mode, camera, flashlight, voice memo, translate, magnifier, shortcut, or accessibility. This button is useful if you want quick access to your favorite feature. Now let's talk about the camera control button. On iPhone 17 Pro, the camera control button is located on the lower right side. Press it once to quickly open the camera. Press it again to take a photo. Inside the camera app, you can use it to control camera features like zoom, exposure, and other camera tools. This makes it easier to capture photos or videos quickly without tapping the screen too much. Now let's cover important button combinations. To take a screenshot, press the side button and volume up button at the same time. Release them quickly. You'll see a screenshot preview in the bottom corner. To force restart your iPhone, quickly press and release volume up. Then quickly press and release volume down. Now press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This is helpful when your iPhone freezes, shows a black screen, or stops responding. To open the power off screen, press and hold the side button and either volume button together. Then slide to power off. To activate Emergency SOS, press the side button 5 times quickly. You can also press and hold the side button and volume button together until the emergency screen appears. Use this only when you need emergency help. To use Apple Pay, double press the side button. Then confirm with Face ID and hold your iPhone near the payment reader. If you want to open Siri, press and hold the side button. You can also say, "Hey Siri," if that feature is enabled. So that's every main button on the iPhone 17 Pro explained. The side button locks your phone, wakes your screen, starts Siri, and helps with Apple Pay. The volume buttons control sound and help with screenshots. The action button gives you quick access to your favorite feature. And the camera control button helps you open the camera and take photos faster. That's it. Now you know how every button works on your iPhone 17 Pro.